hero is Phoenix from the X-Men. Our skit is based off characters from them. These are the days of our lives at the X-Men Academy.
Scene 1.
Scene 1.
Hey, do you like kiss me?
No.
No. Why not? Because I don't want to kiss a guy until he has shown, well, because until he has gotten his ego, because that shows me he has determination, is going somewhere with his life. Fine, whatever. Oh, and I'll prove to you I'll get ready.
Scene 2. Come to me!
Have you been on your mission?
Nope, but I really have a nice body, wink wink.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, but my name is no. My sign is no. My number is no. Yeah, let it go.
What?
And I have a guy, and he's been on his mission, and he has really hot eyes.
What are you doing with her, cat?
This is my Mormon girl.
And he hasn't been on his mission yet.
Hey girl, let's stitch this place. I'll take you to Neverland, and besides, you don't need this guy anyway.
Get lost. I already said I to the no, no, no.
Just die.
You alive? No heartbeat.
The Holy Ghost is strong with this one. I'll be back in 2 years.
Scene 3.
2 years later.
Dean! I'm back! I've gone on my Eagle Scout, or on my mission. I've done my Eagle Scout, and I did it all for you. We need to be a couple.
Ew! This is not healthy. I want to go to the temple, and I don't know if you're worthy. Are you worthy? Well, you obviously aren't, and I am a virtuous young woman. So goodbye.
Okay, oh, this is loud. The moral of our story is that you should never settle for a guy who doesn't meet your standards, because really your standards should be like really high up there, like mission. So you really shouldn't settle, even if the guy is like really hot, because there's a lot of cute boys out there. I mean, I know Autumn wanted to say yes to Soraya, but they need to be worthy. So just don't settle, and because you need to remember that you're a virtuous woman and that you don't deserve anything less.